there, and I'm going to get it deep right up in there. Again, this is Gilbert. So this Rat Man Pest and Termite Control. I am the owner. I'm out here at this wonderful house in Berkeley, California. Now this house here, I've been able to do all the rat proofing around the base of the house. We have a metal roof here. Once in a while, an owner will choose for you not to get on their roof. Sometimes they're tile roofs, and there are areas, I call them a bird's nest eave, or it's where the roof line changes. So I'm about to use this wonderful product called Detour. It's a repellent for rats. Anyways, what I'm going to do is I've already applied it to the edge of this brush, and I'm about to get it, and I'm going to extend it out there, and I'm going to get it deep right up in there. So there's a little gap in there that a rodent could potentially go in there. It doesn't look like anything's going in there now, but you just want to get it and you want to rub it up in there. I'm going to twist. This is basically a de-webber that I'm using. It's an old one, but they work perfect for this because it gets all up in there, as you can see. Okay. And you just rub it in there and you twist it around, get it all up in there. And this is a perfect way to keep the rodents out of areas that are inaccessible. This is Gilbert the Rat Man. Have a wonderful day.